to move them and still rock. A super song for the cause. Feel a load in your brain for the episode. It was just begun. Brother Black, the beat is back.
These hot words again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up.
And you don't, I won't. If you're still, I will take 3 jams and hold them. This what I told them. Rock the other side, the sucker lied. Said he was shocking, but never tried it. So I took him away, I never stayed, y'all.
These hot words again and wake up.
He made a jam to get you slammed back to back in the place where the suckers are for. Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you buy for. When you ride, the DJ decides to play it on the radio. The A side, he gives it a never really gives it a people request the best on the B side.
These hot words again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up.
Food for the brains, beats for the feet. People on the dance floor never claiming a receipt. Had a good time rockin' rollin' on the go-round. The rhythm supplied by the superior B-side. They had to twist and turn and shout. Cause, get you ready now. Situation put you in to where you're sweating an hysterical B-side. Request the best to give a test and never giving the rest. Your guess as good as my guess. And while I'm guessing, you're guessing. Yo, listen, this is a DJ to play to give a lesson in his
name is
Wicked.
again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up.
And the suckers on the right get cynical. Cause the records to the left and political. And you search the stores, attack the racks with your claws. For the rebels without a pause.
And these hot words again and wake up. These hot words again and wake up.
Cause the B-side wins again and again and again. Yo, Black, some of you are all in to make sure the crowd get loud with it on the dance floor.
These hot words again.
You never knew the crowd was this hype, but you thought we was the type to start a riot. Kicking the thunderstorm with a song while we dare you to come along. Pump the music, pump the sound. Once again we gonna do it like this. One's going, you're going, and you know it's time for my man on a mission, so listen.